Alright everyone, I will show you how to reset the ECU of the Grom. You have to open up the seat, find this red plug, get your flathead screwdriver, and over here you can see a little thingy holding the cap. You just lift it up and you can then remove it like this. Once you've taken off the red cap, you want to connect with the paperclip the blue one and the green with the black stripe. So just put in the paperclip, make sure it's tight in there. Alright, now if you've put in the wire in the connector, you need to insert your key, keep it off, open up your throttle all the way, then turn on the bike and wait until that engine light is going to blink. Like this, then you release the throttle, then it's done, and now it will show you one more light to confirm that it worked, and now your ECU is reset and you can turn it off again.